Morning team, it's October 19, Thursday. There are news in New York today. Unemployment should be a pretty decent news. And London seems quite empty, news-wise. That said, we may get some move. But yeah, maybe nothing dramatic. Anyway, so weekly start to look really bad. Really, really bad. After 11 red week, one green one, and now we resume the red ones. I think, I'm not gonna lie to you, if I look only at weekly, looks to me that this one is gonna close as a red week, as a red candle. Look at this. We got rejected. We got rejected by the 50% of previous week, week of the candle. Well, some feed will be more clean than the other ones, but yeah, they remain the same. Like the equilibrium, kick the candle down. So yeah, doesn't look good, you know. If you ask me, it doesn't look any good. Item frames looks pretty bearish now. As I said a few days ago, I didn't become bullish on daily. I said that we BMS up, and I expected a reaction from discount and OT area to the consequent resistance that wasn't tested. But I also told you that if you look at hourly charts like H12 or H4, it looks that bears are in control, because every time that you remember I posted this. I think I posted this, something like this. I say like, look. I say, look at this. I say, you see how long it took to get there, and then how fast it went down. So to my eyes, this was just a pullback, and I think that the pullback is over. Can they still save it? Yes, maybe, but it doesn't look like, you know. This pullback, I think it's kind of done. This double top can stay here like for weeks. You know, people every time they see a double top, double bottom, they think that we're gonna go and get liquidity. Yeah, but double top and double bottom are formed because they last some time. Don't get stuck on ICT or whatever mentor that say like, double top is liquidity. Yes, it's liquidity, but it can stay there. You know, look at this double bottom. If we go down like in the next weeks, this lasts at least 20 days. This is a double bottom, you know. Also, I never checked Dixie, but you know, like I do sometimes. And this was like kind of a nice SMT. Dixie made a lower low. Euro failed to make higher high, you know. So meant that Euro was sold, and indeed we went down. If I look at this chart, it's bearish, okay? It's bearish. I don't want to long anything. Yesterday, at the end of the day, I said that we were in the equilibrium of the move up. Now we're going discount. Looks to me that we're going to go down. I'm not going to lie to you. I have bearish feelings right now. Bearish. But I need something to get in. So let's see. Let's go back to hourly charts. Okay, so here we say that daily, it doesn't tell me much. We just fill the fair value gap and print a big red fat candle. Now, looks like it can expand lower. Let's go to H12, same thing. This bearish origin did its job, and rejecting as expected. You remember we said here too? Say like once we get here, I expect some reaction. The reaction arrived. Well, right now H4 is still didn't completely shift bearish, because this one can close bullish, but I have my doubts. H1 already gave up. Look at this. This is the last swing low that made a new high, breaken. This is the second last, how do you say, second last, breaken. So H1 is already calling for more bearish action, okay? And this move up was a slow grinding up, well mitigated. I don't see any fair value gap here that you say like, okay, maybe we bounce here and then we bounce up. I don't think so. This is liquidity and they can easily go and expand, how do you say, like expand soon, you know, once we get here, the trigger stops and maybe goes fast. Maybe, just maybe, this volume imbalance maybe can offer something, but it doesn't look too good. I mean, I don't think we go here and we bounce. Maybe. Anyway, as I said, I want an area of interest to get in shorts, and that's a little bit more complicated because yesterday move down was pretty efficient to my eyes. Look, they fill all the fair value gap. Look on each one. There is not even one fair value gap. This one filled. Here filled. Look, let me show you. You know, filled. Filled. So I don't know. Where can I get in? I have no clue. There must be some liquidity here above London closed yesterday. This is maybe not fully mitigated. If we come back up here, take liquidity dump, I doubt. 27 pips, I doubt. I would rather wait for this support to go. Because in the end, this is an M15 valid area of interest bullish, you know. And look, wait, let me clean. This is a valid M15 bullish. Here with BMS on M15, and it was also an H4 raid. So H4 M15 sometimes is strong, but in this case I think it's kind of counter. So if I see that we break this support, I will be super happy to look for shorts, you know. Something like this, maybe we come back up, take some liquidity, and then we keep going lower, you know. I can see something like this. But right now, I don't want to do anything. I don't want a long because it looks really bad to me, unless it's for the scalp, and neither I want to short. Well, maybe, just maybe a long is possible into this untested resistance, maybe. But let's see. That's enough for me for today, guys. I speak to you tomorrow in a new video and later in the Telegram group for more charts. Okay, bye.